So they just had a quick coffee break here, and now they're gonna put everything back together. Wiper motor was fine, so you can put it back through there. They got to screw in again right here. So it's a two-man job.
Okay, yeah.
I gave it to Dad.
And make sure that wire is not under here or something, because it mounts here and it mounts here.
Okay.
Now turn it the other way. No, no, no. Tip it the other way. Straight. Line it up with that hole. Okay, can you hold it tight now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember to put the rubber on, eh?
You better put the rubber on. I'm too old for rubber already. Is it right there? That should be it.
Okay. Did he go for another coffee?
Okay,
No.
is that going through the end of the wiper there?
Dad just put that small screw in.
Where it's not lined up properly.
Yeah, I see the screw.
Hey?
He sees the screw.
Yeah, but can you see, is it on the silver part of the wiper? Is it through that hole?
Yes.
Okay, we're on a roll then.
Then up in the you doubted me?
Yes, I doubted you because you're still in training.
On a second.
Got it started?
No, not yet.
Well, take your time. It's only Wednesday.
Well, I get paid by the hour, don't I?
See if we can cross-thread that nut because it holds a lot better when they're cross-threaded. Must have got lucky. It's starting to tighten up.
It's just
Okay.
you have a skilled helper.
Are you, the wire's hooked up, eh?
Wire's hooked up.
Okay. The only thing that holds that on is this big nut with a rubber on it, underneath it, so the water can't get in, and that little bolt with a nut, eh?
How often do these windshield wiper motors blow out?
I don't know, sometimes they can last 30 years. It depends. If the wiper arm comes down here, it's full of ice and frozen, and they keep flicking the switch, it'll either strip that or burn the motor up. When all you have to do is just lift the wiper like that, put it down, turn the switch, you're good to go.
So Dad's buddy here was just saying that he's awfully paranoid to make sure that it's not frozen now when he's using it, because he's worried that he might not be able to get the wiper motor working. It's one thing to have it not working in the shop or sitting out in the yard. It's another thing to be not working when you're 10 miles out in the ice.
Well, that happened last week. We were out only 3 miles and kind of a whiteout, semi-heavy snow.
Yeah.
Wiper on the passenger, so the passenger was telling me where to turn.
Jeez.
Couldn't see anything.
Really hold them and put them on. So I usually use this type of needle nose vice grips. Something like that. I don't know if that's in the right place, so
Try her again.
yeah, try it. Nope, wait. Okay? Now just touch it. Go. 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 Too much. It's out a couple of cogs, eh? Just wait now. Okay? Oh, you dirty bastard. You have to catch just under here that you don't catch on the
Threads.
Okay. See, about every 6 or 8 turns it changes a little bit. I'm just going to show you. It's coming up. It's coming up. See how close they are there? Good. Right.
Perfect.
Okay, that's as good as you're going to get.
For me?
Yeah, next summer.
Nope, that's perfect.
So they're not in synchronization because they're not on the same motor or switch?
Well, the motors are synchronized, and it's all on one switch.
Yeah.
So every 6 or 8 turns, they cross, eh?
Okay.
And then one blade end is longer than the other.
Yeah.
So if I turned it the other way, so the long blade is here, then we'd have more trouble.
Okay. So what he's talking about is it's longer here, shorter there, longer there, shorter there, and but when it's turned off like this, it's right, and then about every 6, 7, 8 turns here,
The lights aren't coming until somewhere down the line.
till every 6 or 7, 8 rotations, it lines up again. So there you go.
Hold the dipstick now,
Yep,
and
it's good.
right on.
Yep, never mind. Especially when I held it.
Yeah.
You showed me.
So what did you do today?
Change the oil.
Yeah. How
Oil filter.
how much trouble was that?
Wasn't any trouble. So
Okay.
on the line.
Right on full. Yeah.
Well,
And-
say you want a little overfull. How
you want
much
a-
would you put in, or what would you do?
If you want it overfill,
Yeah.
just hold it like this. The oil will actually run down.
Yeah.
and it'll
Yeah.
stay full.
Yeah. That's
Apparently,
Newfoundland.
Newfoundlanders do that, but I
Yeah.
wouldn't really come out and say that because I have 2 son-in-laws.
yeah. Yeah.
I think they wouldn't.
Trevor
do that.
might get his feelings hurt.
It might hurt me.
Yeah.
So we're all good.
Are they familiar with Newfoundland credit card?
I'm not sure.
Because we have that online.
And the story on that is,
Well, say you and your neighbor are good friends, eh?
yeah,
And you're low on gas. You hardly got enough gas to go to town. Well, you takes your Newfoundland credit card, goes over to your neighbor, you stick it in his tank, and you take 2 gallons out of his by going in through the hose. Put the cap on his. Now you're both happy. You can both make it to the gas station.
perfect. It makes sense.
And in the old days, that's what they called it. A siphon hose was Newfoundland credit card.
There you go. I'll have to inform them on that.
Okay. So working with apprentices, do you have any tips of the day there, Dad?
Yep. Try and keep your temper as good as you can.
And if the apprentice, wait till the machine is dry. Otherwise, you're having a shower.
Yeah. There you go.
All good.
Okay, we're gonna take her out.
Yeah. Take her out and
'Cause I gotta.
we'll do
Well,
it.
maybe we'll wait until you do the garbage run, because I want to test run that one while you're garbage running. These are off ignition and.
Yeah. Hopper has his machine loaded now. And he's probably going to tie down. Pretty sad that this is what you gotta go when you become an apprentice. You gotta chip the ice out of the door. Apprentice always gets the shit job in the shop.